Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the cricketer names that belongs to the world of sports. He is a famous cricketer with a net worth of $25 million. He appeared in more or less 460 matches so far. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Wasim Akram, Wasim Akram, Wasim Akram, Wasim Akram. Wasim Akram is also credited with revolutionizing the art of reverse swing bowling, introducing new strategies that have since become integral to fast bowling tactics in cricket. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Wasim Akram, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.